Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to share with you guys few best practices that we can follow so that we can start working from home in a more efficient and constructive way. Because none of us know as to when will life get back to normal or when are we actually going to office, right? So we might as well follow these best practices to work from home in a more efficient manner. So let's get started. Tip number 1. Do not skip skincare. So we all have our own skincare routine, right? Be it as simple as just applying a moisturizer and a lip balm, or complex routines like applying serums, face oils, moisturizers, under eye creams, etc. Now just because we are at home, let's not push this habit aside, because there's a great feeling about having a good skin and really taking care of it, because it's all about loving yourself and taking care of yourself. Some people might get lazy when it comes to skincare, but not me. I just love to pamper my skin with a nice scrub and then apply a serum, moisturizer, my under eye cream, and even throw on a lip balm before I start working. Because it mentally takes me from my home space to my workspace and tells my mind that it is time to get into the office zone. Tip number 2. Create your own workspace. Creating your own workspace impacts your mentality a lot more than you actually think it would. Especially when you're working from home, it is important to have that space of your own because it helps you get into that zone and in turn makes you more productive as opposed to you working from a couch or a bed just watching TV. It helps you feel more centered and self-organized because a clean space helps you keep a clean mind. Tip number 3. Sit in front of an open window or any open space. Now the reason I'm saying this is because you need to look away from your monitor every 20 minutes and fix your eye on something that is at least 20 feet away for 20 seconds. Now this is called the 20-20-20 rule. Look away from your monitor every 20 minutes and look at something that is 20 feet away at least for 20 seconds. Now this is great to reduce any strain on your eyes and reduce eye fatigue. And of course the fresh air from the window will keep your mind refreshed and relaxed. Tip number 4. Fill a bottle of water and keep it right next to you. So when we are at office, we have this habit of filling a bottle of water and keeping it at our desk, right? So when we have it right in front of us, it reminds us to drink water more often and we end up drinking more water. But when we are working from home, this habit breaks. Because we'll be like, we can walk up to the kitchen and drink water whenever we want, and this in turn reduces our water intake because we get up and drink water only when we are thirsty. But if you have a bottle right next to you, you tend to drink more water every now and then even if you're not thirsty. And we all know the benefits of drinking more water, right? Tip number 5. Stretch your body. We take our body's movement for granted and just go about our day living our lives, doing our stuffs and not really focus on our body. But you know what? Moving our body is extremely important for our health. Because a lot of people are not able to move their joints because of years and years of bad practices followed while working. There are a lot of stretches that you can do even while sitting on your chair and working, but make sure that you do it at least every 3 to 4 hours. So any kind of exercise, be it jogging, walking or even simple stretches, but make sure that you give that movement to your muscles and joints, because this is a huge deal when it comes to self-love and self-care. Tip number 6. Avoid keeping junk around your workspace. Avoid keeping any kind of junk food or aerated drinks in your workspace. Don't intake anything that is not good for your body. I'm not asking you to completely eliminate it. I know it's going to be hard, but if you make sure that these junk food are not anywhere in and around you, you're automatically going to drift away from that habit. Instead, keep healthy treats around you like dry fruits and replace your favorite snack with the healthy version of it and avoid any kind of fried food. Develop the habit of having sugarless tea. Mix honey for sweetness and add some mint leaves. This really refreshes your mind and also fights bad breath and is great for digestion. And the most importantly, it boosts your immune system. Isn't that what we all need right now? Tip number 7. Spend some time with your family. You know how we all used to complain about not finding enough time to spend time with our family because of our busy work schedule? Well, now is the time to redeem those lost moments. Take some time off your work and talk to people around you at home. Go run some errands with them, play some games or anything that you want to do. Because a lot of our parents and children are so happy to see us at home. So it is time for us to realize that and spend that quality time with them. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. See you guys in my next one.